Well, hi there. Well, here we are this time for a new type of a review. Just like I seen Jay doing it in the fishing, now I'm doing it in the field. We're in Alentejo. It's about 40 degrees, more or less. Um, it's 3 o'clock. We're here since, well, let's say 8, half past 8 in the morning. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because I've decided to test my new toy. Well, here is my 637 with a blue cartridge, and for today it's having quite a performance. Just you can see, well, it's behaving quite well here. I was testing it due to the heat that we're having and due to the surroundings. We're doing a little bit of research for university, so that's why we're here. What can I say for this? Well, it has a 14500 battery. It's lasting me the whole day, and I hope it'll last the rest of it. Um, Wonderful. This blue cartridge is simply wonderful. By the way, the liquid that I'm using. It's a mix of strawberry and mint that I've done myself. Um, so it's kind of freshy one. For today, it's enough. Um, just to tell you that, um, well, for now, this equipment is approved. Later on, we'll do another review just to tell you and to show you how will it work at home. But for now, it's enough. See you then. Well, hi guys. Here we are now to describe the components of this mod. Again, the 637 mod. I don't know if you can see them well. Here's the number 637 engraved on the aluminum body. And these are the parts that came if you order the normal and the standard um, mod, which will be the aluminum body, as you can see, with the holes in case there is any kind of leak on the batteries, and then the gases can go outside through these holes, avoiding the mod to explode. So it's a safety issue, very important. Okay, here's the button, and here is a top cap with the 901 connection. Well, this top cap has a little reservoir for the liquid. As you can see, the connection is a little bit upper than the top cap itself. Due to this little reservoir, in case there is any leak of liquid from the edge, so the liquid can stay here, avoiding it to flow over the top cap. Okay, so being this a tube mod and a mechanical mod um, attached, it looks a little bit something like this. Okay, so another thing that is possible here is, as you can see, I'm unscrewing the button here, and if I want, I can place it up here, as well as the top cap could be placed up here. Well, it's a possibility, although I prefer the button on the top, on the bottom where the numbers are. So, well, this is the standard. What I've ordered is an extensor to use 14650 batteries, and this little thing over here to soften the button itself. Okay, but this is a part. Now with the batteries, the mod generally looks like I showed you before, with a regular 14500. This because this mod allows you to use ATIs at 3.7 volts or 6 volts. The only disadvantage is because of its diameter. The only way to use it at 6 volts is using the batteries 15266. I will show you. Now, first of all, let's see at 3.7 volts, how will it look like? Well, what I advise you to do, first of all, is to place the top cap, then the battery in, and then close it. As you can see, it closes to the bottom, like this. This is with a regular 14500 battery, okay? Now, if I want to use a 14650 battery, which will be this little cutie over here, as you can see, a little bit bigger, I will need to use the extensor, which will be placed like this. Okay, the battery will go inside, and then you can close it. And with the netty placed in 901, it will look just like this. Now, in order for you to have a comparison, here's a regular 901 Riva with a 14650 battery. The size will be like this one, okay? And let me show you with the normal 14500. The battery will look just like this. Okay, just a moment. We'll go right back to the bottom and a little bit shorter. Now, just like I was telling you before, if you want to use it at 6 volts, let me take just this one, yes, you will need to use these little two, 15266, or one inside, another one inside, and let's close it. Now, this is what happens with this type of batteries. As you can see, there is a gap between the button and the aluminum body. However, it works just perfectly. Now, here we have it. Oh, another thing, if you want to use it, this, to soften the button, you just need to put it right back inside, like this, okay? But be careful, because if you keep unscrewing the button, it's possible that you lose it, okay? Now, this was the presentation of the components of this PV. Now I will show you how will it work in an indoor way, okay? So thank you, and see now how will it work?